The most powerful version of the Mercedes-AMG GT you can buy from the factory is the hardcore version, which come equipped with 576 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. It is without a doubt one of the most menacing sports cars on the planet. But one shop thinks the AMG GT deserves to be even more powerful. This is Edo Competition's latest project. While it bears the same name as the factory-derived model, it far from stock. The 4.0-liter biturbo V8 has been upgraded to produce 651 horsepower and 575 lb-ft of torque. That gives the aftermarket upgrade 75 extra horses, and 59 more lb-ft of torque than the factory version. With all that extra power in tow, Edo Competition says the sports car is able to well surpass the standard GTR's top speed of 212 miles per hour. Though the company doesn't have any official figures on top speed or 0 to 60 just yet, but it not only power that has been upgraded to cope, the shop also made sure to lower the chassis by 22 mm in the front and 20 mm in the rear, bringing the high-powered vehicle a bit closer to the road and further improving handling overall. Achieving maximum performance through enormous expertise, the Edo GTR has everything a super sports car needs, the company said in its press release. The vehicle hulking good looks are a perfect fit for its infernal sound, hellish speed and impressive handling, all adding up to maximum performance in a street-worthy race car. Edo doesn't say how much the kit costs on top of the standard AMG GTR. But if you have the money to spend on the $157,000 sports car in the first place, we doubt the performance upgrade will be all that tough a pill to swallow.